You're listening to the Zoe Turner podcast, business and mindset conversations that will help you move from fear and uncertainty to development and growth, so that you can crush both life and business. Please welcome your host, Zoe Turner.
Welcome to The Calm Mind, a step-by-step guide on mindfulness and meditation so you can stress less and live a simpler, more fulfilling life. Firstly, thank you for tuning into the podcast and congratulations for taking action to embark on a journey of meditation practice. I promise you that if you would like to reduce the noise and create more calm and harmony in your life, meditation will help you achieve that. Let's first speak about the benefits of meditation and how it can help you in everyday life. Meditation is good for lowering stress and anxiety levels. It will help you attain better mental clarity, better memory and recall. It enhances creativity and it can increase the problem-solving capability within our brains. Meditation is good to overall balance your body. It's better for overall health, and it helps to regulate blood pressure. Believe it or not, meditation also helps to improve your physical appearance, your skin tone, muscle relaxation, and it's also very good for helping you with confidence, helping you to achieve calm and thus greater control over your life. In addition to all this, it will help you nourish your soul and help you connect with your essence, which is your heart, so that you begin to feel more aligned with your real purpose and mission in life. Once you start to meditate, the ultimate goal is to be consistent. So rather than only meditate when your world begins to crumble around you, it should become a routine and a part of your everyday life. The question many people ask me is, who is meditation for and who can benefit from practicing? Well, meditation will benefit everyone and anyone, but especially those who believe that they don't have time. The reality is, the more hectic and crazier your life is, it becomes more vital for you to start meditating. And it doesn't matter if you're religious, Christian, Muslim, atheist, agnostic, spiritual, Buddhist, and so on. Meditation will only serve to enhance your current beliefs and your connection with the unified field. It is merely a practice of just being. Much of our life, it involves the material world, which is what we call matter. Meditation can assist you in transcending out of the material into the realm of 3D, in space and time, to heighten your spiritual awareness. What many people don't know is that children can also benefit from meditation. Did you know that children's minds are very susceptible to programming? For instance, from 2 to 6 years of age, a child begins to demonstrate slightly higher brainwave patterns known as theta, which means that the brain is more open and more receptive to positive suggestions. Positive programming from your children at this age is essential for their positive development. Meditation can Meditation will help your children sleep. It will encourage them to be kind to others. It may help them be open to more learning at school, and it might even modify their behavior. Visualizations are fun and they're imaginative, and you never know, they could even replace the bedtime stories some evenings. Let's now explore the common problems and obstacles that prevent some people from meditating. A lot of people say to me they don't have the time, they don't know how, they're not sure which technique, method is the best one for them. They're not able to clear their mind. They don't know what to expect. They can't seem to hold the focus, and they don't seem to be able to sit still. Believe it or not, I've got an answer for each one of them. So let's consider them all individually, and then I can discuss with you how we can fix them so that you can be on your way to meditating like a master monk in the quickest and easiest way possible. So first of all, let's talk about the I don't have time dilemma. If you don't have time to meditate because your life is busy, it's cluttered or it's chaotic, then absolutely you must start meditating. First of all, you should know that sitting down formally and closing your eyes to meditate for an hour, 30 minutes, or even 5 minutes, it's not always necessary, nor is it the only way to meditate. I'm going to show you later on in this series how you can meditate during the day without closing your eyes while you're shopping or even having lunch. Then there's the not knowing how to meditate. You know, there's so many different meditation techniques and schools of thoughts out there. Some can take as little as 3 minutes to learn and start practicing. Others require a minimum of 5 and up to 10 days, sometimes of complete isolation from civilization. Ultimately, all forms of meditation are designed to take you to the same place. It doesn't matter how you get there or which one you choose. One could say that the primary purpose of meditation is to cut down on the mental noise in inner dialogue, this continuous mental static that exists in your mind and prevents you from touching a more profound and intelligent place inside you. This place inside you is where you can go to recharge your body, your mind, and your spirit, spark inspiration, creativity, and to gain peace of mind. As I mentioned beforehand, it doesn't matter why you go into that place, or how you get there, or even when you get there, just that you go. The simplest and easiest way to get there is to create an atmosphere around you that allows you to access that deeper level of consciousness in your mind. Knowing how to access the brainwaves responsible for this will help your meditation practice exponentially. Contrary to what most people believe, beta brainwaves can be created almost anywhere, in the privacy of your own home, or even in the middle of a busy shopping mall. In the next podcast, I'm going to share with you how we can practice being silent. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to meditation. Take care.